Do you think fulfillment is the most important part of your system? Like that's the biggest thing that's like really holding us back from like pushing higher and higher and higher and higher and higher, right? Like even like we've done 3 Q4s now on Etsy. And the biggest thing is always the fulfillment side of things that we struggle with. This Q4, again we struggled. That was the bottleneck, because there's always bottlenecks in your system, right? Your first bottleneck may be listing enough products, or your first bottleneck will be making enough. No, your first bottleneck is getting enough sales, figuring out what works. Once you figure out what works, it's then opening enough stores and adding enough products to fulfill that demand. And then it becomes more about scaling that, which is a bottleneck, and then also about fulfillment and dealing with that. When you're kind of like my position, it's not really, the systems of getting more employees is very simple, to add more listings and create more stores, very simple. Doing the actual sales stuff and finding products is also very simple. The bottleneck we have now, which is the struggle, and it's a constant struggle. There's always problems at the end of the day. Just business is just constant solving problems. The bigger problems you get, the more money you get fucking paid at the end of the day, right? It's constant, literally every single day is constant problems. And that's good, right? Because you want to be pushing the barrier. You want to like, here's the breaking point. You want to be just there. You want to like just be breaking everything, right? You want to have your systems. There's the breaking point. You're constantly pushing people. You want to be constantly going a little over the edge, because then that'll go up, and then you constantly fucking pushing, and that'll go up. Constantly fucking pushing people.